Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus doesn't have to be scary when you break it down into simple steps. Let's find the derivative of this polynomial together right now. Start by looking at each term individually because the derivative of a sum is just the sum of the derivatives. The constant one simply disappears and becomes 0 when we differentiate. Next, the derivative of x is just 1. For the negative x squared and negative x cubed terms, we use the power rule by bringing the exponents down as multipliers here. This gives us negative 2x and negative 3x squared. Combining everything, we see that the final result matches option A perfectly. Great job! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.